Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Englo Talks. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're learning English and you want to sound more natural, more confident, and more like a real speaker, you're in the right place.
Yes, welcome back everyone. I hope you're having a good day. Today's topic is something very small in English, but wow, it's powerful.
That's true. And honestly, when I first started paying attention to native speakers, I noticed something interesting. They say things like, I do understand, I did call you, or I do not think so.
Exactly. And many learners think, wait, why add do there? Why not just say I understand or I called you?
Great question. That's what we're talking about today. Today's lesson is not basic grammar like do, does, and did for questions. Today is deeper. Today is about emotion, emphasis, and natural speaking.
We're going to show you why native speakers use I do, I did, and I do not in real conversations. And trust me, after today, your English will sound stronger.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to add emphasis, how to disagree naturally, and how to sound more confident when you speak.
And here's a question for you. Have you ever heard a native speaker say, I do like it, and felt confused? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, comment below. Have you used I do for emphasis before? Write your example. We'd love to read it.
And if you enjoy learning real English with us, like this video and subscribe to Englo Talks. We've got more practical English coming for you.
All right, let's get into it. This topic will change the way you speak.
Let's start with the basic idea first and build from there.
Okay, first, let's understand the basic concept. Normally, English sentences are simple. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, I like coffee. She knows him. We understand you. Simple, right?
Right. But sometimes native speakers add do or did for extra emphasis. Structure: subject plus do, does, or did plus base verb. For example, I do like coffee. She does know him. I did call you.
And this changes the feeling, not the main meaning, but the feeling. I like coffee is normal. I do like coffee feels stronger.
Let me give you examples. I do want to help you. He does love his family. We do understand your problem. I did finish the work. She did tell me. See? Stronger.
Exactly. Imagine your friend says, you don't care. You can reply, I do care. That sounds emotional and strong.
Or if someone says, you didn't text me, you can say, I did text you. That's emphasis.
I use this a lot in real life. For example, if someone says, you never listen, I say, no, I do listen. It's natural.
Same here. If someone says, you forgot, I might say, no, I did remember.
Notice something important. After do, does, did, use base verb. Correct? I did go. Wrong, I did went. Very important.
Let's test listeners. Can you say, I blank understand? What's correct? Do. I do understand. Say it out loud.
Good. Another one. She blank know the answer. Does. She does know the answer.
Nice. Now negative forms. Structure: subject plus do, does, or did plus not plus base verb. Examples: I do not agree. He does not like it. I did not see that.
And in speaking, contractions. I don't agree. He doesn't like it. I didn't know. Very common. But full form can sound stronger. I do not agree. That feels stronger than I don't agree.
Yes, that's important. Full form equals stronger emotion sometimes. Like, I do not accept that. I do not believe it.
Can you practice? Say, I do care. I do understand. I did try. Say them clearly.
And comment below with this sentence. I do blank. Complete it. Maybe, I do love learning English.
Great practice. So, quick recap. Use do, does, did for emphasis. Same meaning, stronger feeling.
Exactly. Small word, big effect.
Now, let's build on that. The second big use is contradiction. When someone says something wrong about you, you can correct it.
This is super common. Example: you don't like pizza. I do like pizza. That's contradiction.
Right. Someone says, you didn't call me. Reply, I did call you. Strong correction.
Here's another. You don't understand. I do understand. That's powerful.
In real life, this happens a lot. At work, you didn't send the email. I did send it. At home, you don't help. I do help.
Let's make it natural. You don't love spicy food. I do love spicy food. Actually, I love it too much.
Same here. And notice the stress. I do love spicy food. Stress matters.
Yes, stress changes power. Without stress, I do like it. With stress, I do like it. Much stronger.
Formal versus informal. Formal, I do apologize. I do appreciate your help. Informal, I do like this song. I did tell him.
Great point. Native speakers often say, I do appreciate it. That sounds warmer.
Quick practice. I'll say the first sentence. You correct me. You don't care. Your answer? I do care.
Next, you didn't try. Your answer? I did try.
Nice. 3 tips. First, use it when correcting someone. Second, use it when showing strong feeling. Third, stress the word naturally.
Here's a real conversation. You forgot my birthday. No, I did remember. I called you. Oh, right. Sorry. See? Very natural.
Another one. You don't support me. I do support you. That sounds caring.
Comment below. Write one correction sentence. Example, you don't understand me. I do understand you. Your turn.
This is how English feels alive, not just grammar. It's emotion.
Exactly. Key points. Use do/did to correct. Use stress for power. Use it naturally.
Now, the third use, politeness and sincerity. Sometimes native speakers use do to sound more sincere.
Yes. For example, I do appreciate your help. Sounds warmer than I appreciate your help.
Another, I do apologize. That sounds more serious, more respectful.
Exactly. Imagine you're late. Simple, sorry. Better, I do apologize for being late. Very polite.
Or gratitude. I do thank you for your support. That sounds heartfelt.
Also, invitations. Do come in. Do sit down. Do join us. These are polite.
Yes, native speakers use this. Do have some coffee. Very friendly.
Tone matters. If you sound warm, it feels kind. If your tone is cold, it may sound strange.
Good point. Example, do sit down. Warm tone equals welcome. Cold tone equals order. Big difference.
Practice situation. You're at dinner. Your guest says, thank you. You reply, oh, do enjoy the food. Natural.
Another, your friend helps you move. You say, I do appreciate your help. Very natural.
Many practice. Repeat after me. I do appreciate it. I do apologize. Do come again.
Nice. And one more thing, sometimes do makes invitations softer. Come in sounds okay. Do come in sounds warmer.
Wow, small difference, big feeling. That's why learners need this.
Exactly. Write in comments, I do appreciate. Finish the sentence. Practice it.
And speak out loud. Don't just read them. Your mouth needs practice.
Quick review. Use for politeness, use for sincerity, use for invitations.
And remember, tone changes everything.
All right, let's talk mistakes. And honestly, we've all made them. I remember saying some funny English when learning.
Oh, me too. Mistakes are part of learning. Let's fix 4 common ones.
Mistake 1. I did went. Wrong. Correct. I did go. Why? Because after did, use base verb, not past verb.
Wrong. I did went there. Correct. I did go there. Practice that.
Mistake 2. Using emphasis when it's unnecessary. For example, I do eat breakfast every day. It's not wrong, but if there's no emotion, it sounds strange. Use it for emphasis.
Better. I eat breakfast every day. Use do only when needed.
Mistake 3. Wrong stress. Some learners stress the verb. I do like it. Usually stress do. I do like it.
Yes, that sounds more natural. Practice that.
Mistake 4. Confusing negative forms. Wrong, I do not likes it. Correct, I do not like it. Base verb again.
Let's compare. Wrong, she does likes coffee. Correct, she does like coffee. Wrong, he did called me. Correct, he did call me.
Why wrong? Because do, does, did already carry grammar. The next verb stays base.
Funny example. Wrong, I did ate pizza. Pizza sounds confused now.
Exactly. Poor pizza.
Practice time. Fix this. I did saw him. Correct, I did see him.
Good. Fix this. She does loves music. Correct, she does love music.
Great. And remember, mistakes are normal. Seriously, comment one mistake you used to make. That helps learning.
Yes, don't fear mistakes. Use them to improve. That's how progress happens.
Keep speaking. Keep trying. That's the real goal.
Time for practice. Choose the correct sentence. Say it out loud. Number 1. A. I did called him. B. I did call him.
Correct answer, B. After did, base verb. Call, not called.
Number 2. I do understand. B. I understanding.
A. Simple and correct. And stronger.
Number 3. Someone says, you don't care. What do you say? A. I do care. B. I care do.
A. Natural correction.
Number 4. A. She does know him. B. She does knows him.
A. Base verb. No.
Number 5. A. I do appreciate it. B. I appreciate do it.
A. That's polite and natural.
Try variations. Casual, I do like it. Formal, I do appreciate your support. Strong emotion, I did tell you.
Notice how tone changes meaning. That's real English, not just grammar.
Your challenge. Write 3 sentences in the comments. 1 with I do, 1 with I did, and 1 with I do not. Practice today.
Remember, conversation matters more than perfection. Speak, make mistakes, improve. That's the process.
Wow, today was powerful. We learned how small words can make your English stronger, clearer, and more natural.
Let's review the 3 big uses. First, emphasis. I do care. Second, contradiction. I did call you. Third, politeness and sincerity. I do appreciate it.
These are real English tools. Native speakers use them every day, and now you can too.
Remember, don't just memorize. Use them in real life. Speak them. Feel them.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something. Your English grows every time you speak.
Here's our final question. What sentence will you use today with I do or I did? Tell us in the comments.
And if this lesson helped you, like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Englo Talks for more real English lessons.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Your English is improving, step by step, day by day.
Thanks for spending time with us today. We love learning with you.
Take care, keep speaking English, and see you next time.